Hi, this is Tom with Dean Supply. Today we're going to talk a little bit about induction ranges. Here we have the Winco EICS-18. It's a little bit heavier duty induction range. It's got 3 cooking modes: temperature, power, and timer. So if you're cooking time-based foods, you can cook it with the timer. Temperature, you can set the temperature. On the power mode, basically what that is, you're doing it by wattage. Now, I don't know too many people that are doing it by wattage. I imagine most of you are going to probably use temperature and timer mode. You've got a high resistance, high heat, glass ceramic surface, 120 volt operation, so it'll go into any standard 120 volt plug. How these things work, you have to use a stainless steel pan or a pan that is magnetic. It has a magnetic bottom. Cast iron will work. The aluminum pans that have the steel plate on the bottom will work. They don't work as good as your stainless steel does. And how the operation works, you put your pan on top of the unit. The molecules in the stainless steel or in the cast iron, what have you, actually get quote unquote excited and actually heat up. The surface does not get hot whatsoever. You can pull your pan off and put your hand on here or a dollar bill and it won't be hot at all. So you got some safety features with the unit. You don't have any open flame to worry about. You're not going to set any linens on fire. You're not going to set yourself on fire. They heat up real quick. You're going to boil water a lot faster on one of these than you're going to do on an open flame cooktop. Very efficient. You can bring it down to a very small simmer. If you're doing chocolates, you need a real low heat so you don't overcook the chocolate and burn the chocolate. They will handle from a 4.5 inch to a 10.5 inch pan. It's 1800 watts. Most of your induction ranges run around 1800 watts. Your higher ends will do 3400, but those are 220 volt units. They cook a hell of a lot faster. We don't stock those. We do stock this unit in their economy version, which doesn't have all the cooking modes that this one here has. It just has a basic 1800 watt and temperature cooking on it. It doesn't have auto shut off. So if you're looking to do induction, you might want to check out this Winco unit. It's very efficient. Seems to be the way of the future. You can move them anywhere in the kitchen as long as you got access to an AC outlet. You can do tableside with these things. You could take them out on the patio to do cooking, what have you. So they're very efficient. Definitely something to look forward to in your kitchen. You might want to consider looking at.